So wrapping big trees just like a professional would with Christmas lights is what we're going to be discussing in this video. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it start to finish. It's really not all that complicated. First things first, we got to wrap the base of the tree. This is the easiest part. Now when you wrap the tree, you want to go ahead and pick your spacing. For me, I like to keep it just a couple of inches. I like to keep it as slim as possible because then when you're driving and looking at it at night, the entire tree is just lit up, right? It looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap it every couple inches or so all the way up to the top of the tree. This is the easy part. Now all you really have to think about here is securing the strand at the bottom. You can do a knot with the plug, or you can use zip ties. You can do anything there to secure the plug. And then once that's done, just do the wrap all the way up to the top. And up here, this is where it gets a little tricky for some folks. I'm going to go ahead and elaborate on how to give you that look where you ramp every branch instead of wrapping it around the tree as a basic application would be. Check it out. This is where it's easy. You start wrapping at the bottom, up, 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 and then you get to this. Now, oftentimes some people might stop and just start wrapping the lights on the tree. I don't want to do that. I want to go for the professional look that everyone likes, where it's wrapped around the branches. So what I'm doing to start that is I have enough lights to not only come up here on each strand, but I also had enough to start on one of the branches. Now, at first glance, you might think, okay, so I wrapped it all the way around, wrapped it around, and the female ends up here. Wrong. I did it a special way, and it actually helps when it comes to putting lights on. So what you do is you double space the wrapping, kind of like when you're writing a paragraph, right? Double space instead of single space, double space it, go up to about where the strand would end hypothetically, and then double space wrap it again, filling in the gaps that were skipped the first time. And then it looks like you wrapped it straight. Spacing and everything is exactly the same. So yeah, do that. And then this is nice because you'll get the female end down here, right here, to supply power to this branch, and every double wrap and weave technique, wrapping to where I want the strand to end, and then doubling back and filling in the gaps in between. I'm essentially just going to do that on every nook and cranny of this tree here that I want to have lights on it. Really isn't that hard. You just wrap up and back on the branches you want lit, figure out where you want the strand to end, and double back, up and back, up and back, up and back. That way, the objective here really is to have that female end be at the base of the branches so it can supply power to the next branch, kind of like I illustrated earlier. So up and back, up and back, up and back, and you'll have that professional look that most of your neighbors won't have because they simply take the light strands and wrap them on the tree. This is going to give you that professional look again that just looks so money compared to anything else. So yeah, up and back, up and back, up and back on every branch you want lit, and the results will surprise you.